What's up, everybody? Will here with Will Shop Dayton Rebuilds, and this is the first vehicle coming to the channel. It is a 2005 MazdaTribute. Has around 124,000 miles on it. It's a nice car. I like it, truthfully. I mean, it's just a Ford, but you know, has good tires on it. No damage on this side. The damage is from this corner. Rear bumper, which may be able to be saved. Rear quarter panel. A little bit of damage down there. Hope everything comes out good on camera. Trim piece. The door is a little bit jarred here. So a door. A little rusty down here. A little more rusty than I would like. A little bit more rusty than I would like down there. And this was bought sight unseen. I did not come out and check it out. This is the biggest issue here, which, as you can see, mostly everything is under here is broken. Look at that control arm, bro. Look at that. Look at that control arm. Tie rod in, done. Rim, done. Strut, done. Yeah, I mean, so it's gonna be fun. Inner fender, front bumper, maybe. Most likely a front bumper. I might be able to save that though. Maybe able to save that bumper. Alright, so let's see if it will start. Let's pop the hood and check the fluids first. Interior is pretty clean though. Interior is clean. We got a sunroof up there, nice. Interior is very, very, very clean. I mean, it's not really dirty at all. Nice little floor mats, the original floor mats. A little thing in it, a little holder in it. I don't see a port. I don't see a USB thing, so I may have to put a USB thing in here. So we got an ashtray. Got nothing in there. All right, let's pop the hood. Hood popped. Hopefully the hood works. Shit, don't see no reason why it wouldn't. Paint's not bad at all. Oh, let's see this engine. See this engine. Oh, it looks exactly as it did. Get the look in it. Things don't look too bad. A little bit of... Alright. Let's see the oil before. It's Mazda. Wanted that oil. And she's got oil. She's full on oil. Oil doesn't look bad either. That's great. Like I said, I normally have a pretty good eye for these vehicles at Copart. Got coolant. If y'all can see. Has coolant in it. It's not empty. Let's check the transmission. It may have lost some because nope, full on transmission fluid. Good. Good on brake fluid, so brake fluid didn't lose. All right, y'all want to bet? You want to make a bet and see if she starts? I think she's gonna start right up. What do you think? I think she's gonna start right up. Let's see. I don't hear no noise, so let's see when we put the key in. We got two keys. Uh-oh, we got noise. Is this no not turning? There we go. Let's see what we got. We got 124,897. We have an oil light, check engine light, battery light on over there. Let's see. Ah, she's dead. Let's see. Let's try the other one. definitely weak. Let's try it one more time. I don't know how long it's been sitting, so. Battery is dead. So, we're gonna have to wait to get it started, but the interior wasn't too bad. Needs a good detailing. And I'm assuming she needs a good jump. Check the glove box. We got the manuals. We got the manuals. Everything, service stuff. Old CD in there. Got our glasses holder. We got a little garage opener for it there. Let's go and check around. I'm honestly not too mad at all about it. Like I said, a little rust there, but oh, that's really rusty. But you know, it's nice and clean. It is very clean, nice and clean. And pretty much exactly what I thought it would be. So this is the checkout. Got a nice little Reese tow hitch back here. Plymouth, Michigan. Nice big tow bar now. Let's get up under. See, that closes. A tail light over here. Might just be able to get away with a new cover. Shit. I don't know. That's completely nothing in there nothing in there. So that's got to come back. That's got to be fixed. And let's get up under and take a look at some things here. See what's going on under this. Oh, we got a spare up under here, which was not on the other one, by the way. Rear suspension looks good. No problems. Exhaust looks good. And just honestly, truthfully, a lot of rust up under here. The exhaust is down because it is out of the hanger, which I could probably fix right now, so that's not a big deal. Let's go this way. Oh, not a very big deal. Yeah, it just came out of the hanger right there. Yeah, turn that around, put it back up in there and shit. Should be good. I'm a little upset it didn't start. Wish it would have started. So I lost. But overall, not really bad up under here or anything. Doesn't look too bad. I think we might get it running and driving today. Just take a look. So yeah, I was off rip. I was kind of worried about this fuel pressure regulator right here, but it's getting spark. It's getting spark. It's getting electricity. So it's either air or gas. So probably gas. Probably hasn't been started. Hit it with some starter fluid a little bit and take it from there. I just want to get it running and let it start and run. See if we can take it from there. All right, that's pretty much it for this part of the video. I'll catch y'all once it's at the house and I'm getting to start work on it. Peace. I appreciate you all. Good morning. Will back with Will Shop Dayton Rebuilds. It's the next day. As you can see, the 2005 MazdaTribute 3.0. I got it running. And I'll share how I did that in a minute. But just to let y'all hear it run. Coolant's good. Checked everything yesterday. Coolant's good. Oil's good, transmission fluid is good. She runs really good. Got the fender loosened. Ready to replace that. Down here, as y'all can see, I got mostly everything back together. I put a bolt into that lower control arm. Hook the strut up, tighten down the tie rod in here, and then connect the sway bar link. I have to go to the junkyard. Let's see if I get a shot of it. To the junkyard because, as you can see, ball joint is not completely connected. The kids lost the screws yesterday in the nuts, so I gotta go to the junkyard and grab some more, which should be fun. But she is running now. Let me show y'all. Just in case y'all get one. Now let me explain this. They said the car was running and starting basically a month ago. basically 720. So as I'm reading through here, looking for fuses and such, because it was 152, 153. I'm reading the fuses and stuff here. All right, and flip back. Then I'm reading, and I happen to see this fuel pump shut-off switch. I said, I bet that's what it is. I'm looking for the fuses, checking fuses for blown fuses, fuel pump, starter, all that good stuff. And then I see that what I did just came right up in here. Pop that tab up. There's a button right here. I pushed that button, it clicked, and it's been running ever since. I heard that fuel pump prime. So if you get a car from Copart, a Ford or a new one, and it will not start, but it says it starts and runs, check out that fuel pump shutoff switch. If you start the car, try to start the car, and you're getting no fuel, you do not hear your fuel pump prime, definitely look for that switch. Sometimes they're in the front, sometimes they're in the back. But that is the start of my day. It started out good because I got this running last night. That was my one goal. I throw a battery in it. I do not think the battery is bad. I just think it's because it's 19. It's a 19 battery. It's a year old. It shouldn't be bad. So I'm gonna take that up to O'Reilly's and get a charge on that. I got some hoses, as you can see, like right here. That's busted and cracked, and also that hose right there is not the greatest. So I'm probably gonna replace those hoses this morning. Get the battery to O'Reilly's. Let them put a charge on it. And I am going to finish up this. When I head to the junkyard, I'm going to head to the junkyard and get a front passenger headlight, of course. Front fender. I'm still going to wait on this here. And a rear tail light and a rear fender. Also, there is a little bit of damage on this wheel. I don't know if you can tell. Maybe I get it at an angle you can tell. If you can tell, that wheel is sitting wrong, so I have to fix that wheel as well. And I also have to buy a rim for up here. So pretty much done. It's only been less than 24 hours since I had the vehicle, and she's almost ready to run. No, she's running. She's almost ready to drive. Let's give y'all another shot on it. Tires are really good. She's quiet. 2005 MazdaTribute, which is basically a Ford Escape. Heat works, air works, everything works. Heat works, everything works. As y'all can see, I got my tools in here, stuff in the back, more parts and stuff in the back from my other car. So yeah, came with an ashtray. Sweet. So yeah, let me get started. I'm gonna head, technically I'm about to make another video for wheel shop day in how to put a radiator in a 2004 Nissan Sentra. So definitely go check that video out if you have a 2004 Nissan Sentra, and check back with me as we get this rebuild project finished. Appreciate you all. Peace. Well, back again with progress on the 2005 Tribute. We got a fender on there. Body gaps are lining up perfectly too. Got a fender on there. Headlight on there now. And the most important parts, the strut is in complete, sway bar link incomplete, tie rod incomplete, lower control arm. I still had to put that bolt right there in there completely. Having a little trouble with that. I have to snug up, put the brakes back on. But we are getting there. Also had the tail light, and I'm gonna go get another bumper for it, rear bumper for it, but coming together pretty quickly. Also have the rear piece, the rear upper control arm for that. I'm gonna do that today, so that wheel should be straight in the next video. And there's the tail light. Peace. What's up, everybody? Will here back, wheel shop Dayton rebuilds with the 2005 Mazda Tribute, and I have begun changing out the upper control arm. As you can see, that was completely bent up and done, and now I have the new one, which I just got to align the bolt there and bolt here. I'm also thinking about changing that bottom. I can't really tell if it's really offset bent like that or is that how it comes. And there you can see we have damage to the strut here. So I will be replacing the strut, but coming together. That's what it's supposed to be. As you can see, it's a little off. That's why I think I might change that down there as well. So trip to the junkyard, change that, get this upper in, change out the strut, which is easy. And I also, if you've been following along, you may notice that I kind of did a little body work over here. Or maybe the mupper's in the way now, but yeah, I did some body work over here getting this out and got it out pretty good. Pretty sure what I'm going to end up doing at the end of this, once I get everything running and perfect and all that and inspect it, I'm just going to probably sand this down, sand this entire thing down, and use a stud welder puller. I think it'll come out pretty good. So I'm going to try my hand at that. Look for that video. I'm definitely going to do that. It's going to be my first time using it. So I think that'll get it back where I want it to be. And like I said, a little Bondo and paint and call it a day. Up front, of course, we got the new fender, which I am thinking also about painting it myself. Probably just paint it myself. But this down here is pretty much all together. I ordered a rim earlier today, $50 off of eBay. And I've also ordered this CV axle for it, as you see here, which is, how much was it? $45 or 40, I think it came to about $50, $47, something like that. So those parts are on the way. They will be here Monday. I don't know when I'm going to get this video out, but everything else is good. Tie rod ends on, not completely secure, on like that. Sway bar link good. Brakes good. Still got to get that little bolt in there. I'm still having a little bit of trouble aligning that right there. And that right there, not a big deal. See it back there? Not a very big deal. Everything else though, good, done, ready to go. Trying to think, is there anything else with it? Probably this door replace. I'm going to the junkyard to take this bumper back and get another one, because I don't need the kind of rough sanded one. I need a smooth one. Matter of fact, bumper is right here, so I'll show you what I'm talking about. Actually, not right there. That is the fender. Oh, that clothes nice. I like that. This one, as you can see, it's just a regular. So I'm gonna grab a silver one. You know, I can always change the color on it. I think the biggest thing I think I got to do is this seat right here will not. That's as far as it comes up. So repair that, fix that, and give it a good detailing. Yeah, I'm not gonna do a cold start, but pretty much. And just for reference, this is what that side needs to kind of come out, look like. So got it. Did a lot better on it. It looks a lot better over there. I'll go take another. So what I gotta do, I gotta get it like that with the spot weld puller. But let's see exactly how bad it looks right now. Rough. I say that it's rough. It's gonna be some fun though. But I think that spot weld puller is gonna be a godsend for me. All right, everybody. Peace.